Welcome back. In this next tutorial, we're going to learn how to insert a video into your Glog. It's easier than you think. Once you log into glogster.edu, you should find yourself on your dashboard page. When you scroll down this time, you should find the new Glog that you just created, called Sesame Street. What you need to do is go ahead and choose Edit. And shortly you should see your Glog. Right now the Glog is blank, but before you know it, it will be filled with great information. Let's go back to the magnet tool. Remember, the magnet tool is what helps you add elements to your Glog. All of these things are elements. So we're going to add a video to our Glog. Click on the video link. This box will appear. You'll notice that there are two tabs at the top. First you'll choose your video, then you get to choose your player. Now there are some choices here for selecting a video. One, you could upload a video. So if you've made a video of something, you could go ahead and upload it right to Glogster. You can also search SchoolTube for very safe videos, or you can actually add the web address of a video that you find from YouTube. In this case, let's go ahead and start by searching SchoolTube. So I've typed Sesame Street in the search box, and I've selected SchoolTube, and now I'm going to search. Oops, I need to change that to Sesame Street again, make sure I'm searching for the right thing. And once you search, you can see there's a variety of Sesame Street videos already in here. And you can click on the button below and find even more videos. So go ahead and take a minute to choose the video that you'd like to display on your Glog. You can go ahead and pause the button until you find a video that you'd like to display. In this case, there are lots of Sesame Street videos all ready to go. So I'm going to choose this one, and I can play it if I click on that button. And before I go ahead and use it, I'm going to add a player. The players will make your Glog interesting. You can see all kinds of options for a player, and you can see over here different categories to choose from simple to complex. So depending on the style of your Glog, you can probably find something that's interesting. I seem to remember that there's a nice player that I'd like to use under the retro category, so I'm going to click there. And there I have an old-fashioned TV. So when I click on it, you can see what happens. My video goes inside the TV. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. Now watch carefully to what happens next. When you click Use It, your element, in this case it's a video, appears somewhere on your Glog. So you kind of have to search to find out where it is. You can go up to the top and you can click the closed button because you're all done adding video. You can find it down here. I'm going to make a suggestion. For right now, when you're adding things to your Glog, don't worry about setting it up and arranging it nicely. It's easier to get all of your elements in and then set it up. It'll save you a lot of time and trouble. So that's how you add a video. Let's go ahead and try to play it. Notice when I click the button, absolutely nothing happens. Some of you might think that this is a broken video, but really it's because you're in the editing mode. So let's scroll to the top and go to Save or Publish. You always want to save your Glog. Now I can choose View this Glog, and this will be the live version of the Glog. And when I scroll down to find the video, it'll play now. It's great when you find a video right in the Glogster page, but occasionally you're going to have to actually go to YouTube to find a video to use. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. Let's get rid of this video by clicking on it. Oops. Now I'm still in the viewing mode, so remember you need to go back to the editing mode here. So I'm going to switch back to the editing mode, and that link is kind of hard to find. It's under the title of your Glog right here. It says Edit Your Glog. And when I click on that, I'm able to edit again. Now remember, the video won't play in this state. When I click on the video that I want to edit, you'll notice that the editing toolbar appears at the top. And we saw this bar before, and what we want here is the delete button so we can get rid of it. So So go ahead and click delete and it's all gone. Now let's take a minute to go to YouTube and find a video and see how you insert a video that way. Here I am on YouTube, and so I need to type my search term in the box. I'm looking for my favorite video, and I happen to know that that was REM, the band, on Sesame Street. So I think I should be able to search for that and find it. And in the list that appears, it's right on top. It's called Furry Happy Monsters. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now I really don't want to play it right now, so I'm going to pause it. What you need to do at this point is go to the share button underneath the video and grab the link. Just copy and paste that link. Now I'm all done with this page and I can go back to my Glog. And here it is. Now let's review how to add a video. You find the magnet tool and you click on video. But this time, instead of searching, I'm just going to add the website address. To do that, I have to click on the link button right here. And once I get that, a new screen appears and I just paste the sharing link that I got from YouTube there and I add it to my file. And it should be on the screen now, so I need to move this, close this button, and there it is, my Furry Happy Monsters video. So I'm going to select it, and remember, I'd like to add a player. So in this case, I'm going to add a different player by clicking on the Players tab. And this time I think I'm just going to choose one at random, maybe Pop Rock. And this is going to be a little crazy, but it's just a practice Glog. I can click here. Ooh, I don't think I like that one. So I can go ahead and choose a different one until I find the style that I like. Oh, that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. And remember, it just will appear somewhere on your Glog. There it is. Now, before we move on, I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of editing here. So what I'm going to do is click on it and I see the editing toolbar. One thing that I forgot to show you is how you resize it. So you can resize it by dragging the handles here, and you can also rotate it by dragging this rotating symbol. Everything doesn't have to be straight on your Glog. So that's how I do those things. For now though, I'm just going to leave it here and set it all up later. That's how you add a video to your Glog. The next step is for you to try it.